Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your HUAWEI MatePad T8, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter system updates. Then we tap on the language and input. Let's go for the Microsoft Swift keyboard, and right now we have to enter themes. And there is a gallery. If you want maybe this one, you have to click on this button right here on this cloud with the arrow and just download it. I will go for my themes and I will apply the dark. So click right here, and right now we can check how it works. So we can go for the messages. So click here, and right now our theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.